Hi students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic today chosen is from chapter 2, Motion in a Straight Line. Already we have given 7 questions in the previous session and now we will solve the solution for these questions. Let's move to first question. A person traveling in a straight line moves with a constant velocity v1 for a certain distance x and with a constant velocity v2 for next same equal distance x. The average velocity v is given by the relation dash. Yes, B is the correct option. We know the formula v average, that is given as just v. That is equal to just v. That only given. That is equal to total distance by total time. Total distance is x plus x by t1 plus t2. X plus x is 2x divided by t1 plus t2. And t1 equal to x by v1 and t2 equal to x by v2. Substitute this in the v average. V average, that is equal to v equal to 2x divided by t1 is x by v1 and t2 is x by v2. X is common, take out. V equal to 2x divided by x we have taken out into 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. X getting cancelled. Then v equal to 2 divided by 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. This term bring it to left side and take v that side. That is 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 equal to 2 by v. That is nothing but 2 by v equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2. That is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move to question number 2. Preeti reached the metro station and found that the escalator was not working. She walked up the stationary escalator in time t1. On other days, if she remains stationary on the moving escalator, then the escalator takes her up in time t2. The time taken by her to walk up on the moving escalator will be dash. Option C will be a correct answer. T equal to h by v1 plus v2. That is the time taken by the girl to walk up on the moving escalator. That is T equal to h by v1 plus v2. And v1 is the speed of walking. Speed of walking in the stationary escalator. That is v1. v1 is the speed of walking in the stationary escalator. That is equal to distance by time. Distance is, we will keep h. H is the distance covered in the escalator by time. Time will be t1. Okay. And v2. What is v2? v2 is the speed of the escalator. That is equal to same h divided by t2. t1, t2 only given. H is a constant. H is a distance covered or height of the escalator, like that we can keep. Then substitute this v1, v2 here. T equal to h divided by v1 is h by t1 plus v2 is h by t2. H take outside as a common. H divided by h into 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2. this h getting cancelled. Then 1 by T1 plus T2, simplify that. Then T1 plus T2 divided by T1 into T2. This T1 into T2 comes up, then that is equal to T1 into T2 divided by T1 plus T2. That is option C. T equal to T1 into T2 divided by T1 plus T2. Option C is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 3. The motion of a particle along a straight line is described by equation x equal to 8 plus 12t minus t cube. Here x is in meter and t is in second. The retardation of the particle when its velocity becomes 0 is dash. Option D is the correct answer. What is retardation? That is negative acceleration or decrease in velocity. That is called retardation. Okay. Deceleration or negative acceleration or retardation. Okay, x is given, x is the displacement or distance, x value is how much? 8 plus 12t minus t cube. First find velocity. Velocity v equal to rate of change of displacement or distance dx by dt equal to 8 is a constant, you will get 0. 12t if you differentiate, 12 minus t cube if you differentiate, 3t square. 3t square. Next, acceleration. Acceleration a equal to rate of change of velocity or differentiate this dx by dt again, that is d square x by dt square. Then now 12 is constant and 3t square if you differentiate minus 3 to 6 6t. Okay, now the question is find the retardation, that is A you want to find when its velocity becomes 0, that is this velocity becomes 0. So velocity is 0 means 12 minus 3t square equal to 0. From this find t and this t substitute here. Then 12 minus 3t square equal to 0, then 3t square equal to 12. T square equal to means 12 by 3, 4. T equal to square root of 4, 2 second. 2 second. Then substitute this 2 second here. Then minus 6 into 2. Minus 6 into 2, 6 to 12. Minus 12 meter by second square. What is retardation? Decrease in velocity or negative acceleration. So already I mentioned retardation, so no need to mention minus. Okay, no need to mention minus. Therefore, option D, 12 meter per second square is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 4. A particle moves a distance x in time t. According to the equation, x equal to t plus 5 whole power minus 1. The acceleration of particle is proportional to dash. Acceleration of particle in terms of velocity we want to express. Same like previous, x is given here. X equal to t plus 5 whole power minus 1. And velocity equal to rate of change of displacement, v equal to dx by dt equal to, if you differentiate this, you will get minus 1 into t plus 5 whole power minus 1, t plus 5 whole power 2, whole power minus 2, minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2, is nothing but minus 1 divided by t plus 5 whole power 2. Okay, and acceleration A equal to, differentiate this again, minus into minus plus, so 2 into t plus 5 whole power minus 3, that is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. that you can write as 2 divided by t plus 5 whole power 3. Okay. Now we want to express this in terms of velocity v. That is v equal to minus 1 into t plus 5 whole power 2. From this, v equal to minus 1 into t plus 5 whole power 2, that you can write as v is proportional to minus 1, minus now we can remove this, and t plus 5 whole power 2. Then t plus 5, bring this t plus 5 here and v that side. Then t plus 5 whole power 2 is proportional to v. T plus 5 whole power 2 is proportional to v. Then t plus 5 is proportional to, t plus 5 is proportional to 1 by v power 1 by 2. That is square root of v, 1 by 2. Then t plus 5 is proportional to v power 1 by 2. That if you see here, then similarly here a is inversely proportional to t plus 5 whole power 3. And but t plus 5 term is inversely proportional to v power 1 by 2. Then a is proportional to v power 1 by 2 whole power 3. That is nothing but v power 3 by 2. Velocity whole power 3 by 2, that is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 5. The displacement x of a particle varies with time t as x equal to a into e power minus alpha t plus b into beta t, where a, b, alpha, beta are positive constants. Velocity of the particle will be dash. Formula as usual, same, v equal to dx by dt. Differentiate first x value. X is given a into e power minus alpha t. If you differentiate a into e power minus alpha t, a into minus alpha into e power minus alpha t, and then plus b beta into e power beta t. Now the question is, velocity of particle will be increase with time, decrease with time, independent of alpha, beta, drop to 0. That one we want to check. So again differentiate this. Acceleration a equal to rate of change of velocity, that is dv by dt, equal to, differentiate this again, minus into minus plus, a alpha into alpha, alpha square, e power minus alpha t, plus b into beta, beta square, e power beta t. And this value, from this value will be greater than 0. It means it is increases with time. Increases with time. Which option? Option D. Option D is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 6. A ball is thrown vertically downward with velocity of 20 meters per second from the top of a tower. It hits the ground after some time with a velocity of 80 meters per second. The height of the tower is dash. You have to apply equation of motion, third equation of motion. What is the third equation of motion? V square equal to u square plus 2as. And the ball is thrown vertically downwards. Therefore, a equal to plus g. And height only you want to find, that is a displacement s equal to height. And some of the data is given, that is initial velocity is given 20 meters per second. U equal to 20 meters per second. And v is given 80 meters per second. 80 meters per second. Substitute this here and you want to find h only. So v square, and first simplify for h or s. 2as equal to v square minus u square, and s equal to v square minus u square by 2a. and S equal to H substitute. Then H equal to V square. V square is 80 square. 80 square minus U square 20 square divided by 2 into A is equal to G and G is given 10. No need to substitute for 9.8. You can boldly write 10. 2 into 10. 80 square. 8864. That is 6400 minus 20 square. 224 400 minus 400 divided by 20. 6400 minus 400 6000. That is H equal to 6000 divided by 20. 0 0 getting cancelled, and if you simplify 236 300 300 and all the value we have substitute in the form of SI unit only, so 300 meter. Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Let's move to last question, 7th question. The displacement time graph of moving particle is shown here. The instantaneous velocity of the particle is negative at the point, which point? That is C, D, E, F point is given. Actually, as per this, point D, and the question is instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity is a slope of distance time graph. Okay. Point D is a zero slope. So, point D is zero slope and C, F for positive slope, and only E is a negative slope. Okay, E only negative slope. And point D is a zero slope. 0. And C and F. F only no, that is only positive slope. Now question is, you want to find the instantaneous velocity of the particle is negative. That is option E. Option E is the correct answer. Okay, thank you students. So in next session, we will see in other 7 questions.